Come with me over to Llwyn-Onn in Brecon. I wanted to try out my Insta360 camera for the first time. More practice needed, by the way, but I thought I'd take the dogs for a walk with the family and just have a few little shoots to see how it works. It didn't last too long because it did start raining, but we had a lovely walk and here's my first video. Thanks for watching.